Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. Figma has just released an update and this is mind-blowing, and I'm so excited for this because this is a feature we've been crying for in the Figma community. For Figma to come out with this is actually crazy. What this feature does is for users to be able to multi-select and multi-edit similar layers. So this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how this is done. I already have this pre-designed, so let's give an example. For instance, say I want to change the color of this rectangle across all the frames. So I click on the rectangle, select it over here. You can use the shortcut if you want. Click here, select matching layers, then everything gets selected. So here I could change the color to whatever I want. At the same time too, I can also change the position of objects or layers that are similar. So say my design lead or project lead says that, okay, change the color of this particular logo. The position of this logo, we don't want it over there. Now it is pretty simple to do that across multiple frames. All I need to select it over here, then select matching layers, then move it to wherever I want it to be. Problem solved. Yeah, as you can see. Then at the same time, you can also do the same for text as well. So let's say I want to change this text to sign in. Click on it, select it, click select matching layers. And for this, you have to go an extra step and click multi-edit text. Then change it to sign in. So you can see that affects all the other frames. So you could have, I don't know, maybe hundreds of different screens, and that could have affected as well. And also find another use case for those of you who do not like me, who do not like editing their, naming their layers as well. You can use this feature to do that. So say I want to change this to this particular layer name. So I just select it, use click on multi-select, select matching layers, then click Command R on my keyboard. Then it is here. I just change it to button text. Yeah, click rename, and voila, everything is done. So there's so many use cases for this, so do try it out, and this is so exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe for more content in the future. Bye bye.